are you? Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up the July Goddess Provisions. I'm super excited. This is the second time it was sent to me. The last time I opened this box was in May and I really loved it, so I'm very grateful that it was sent to me again by the company. So today we're going to be doing a little unboxing and I will tell you about the box first. But before we get started, I just want to take a moment to say hi. Welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty and I love subscription boxes. I open them every single day here on our channel. So if you love subscription boxes too, I would absolutely love if you join and subscribe. That would mean so much to me. But now let's get back to the box. So this is what it looks like. Goddess Provisions is $33 per month. There's free shipping in the US. It does ship to some other countries as well, but there will be a shipping charge. And in each box you get 5 to 7 items. And one thing I love about this company is that for every box sold, they plant a tree. And also, I love that it is all cruelty-free and vegan as well. Let's get this open and see what we got for July. I guess I didn't even tell you guys like what this is all about. I mean, it's cruelty-free, vegan, you get 5 to 7 items, but it's like a spiritual box, so yeah, we'll see what's inside and you'll get a better picture. When I open it up, this is what it looks like. So there's a bag right on top. Let's start with that. Something smells good. So it feels like there might be something in here, but here's a bag. Oh, and I remember from last time, they do include a card, but it's usually on the bottom. Let me get it out. Here it is. Oh, cute. Look at the cacti and the moon. Oh, the theme is Desert Vision. So inside it shows you all of the items, talks about them. It looks like it gives retail values as well. And then on the other side of the sheet, it has a monthly mantra. So let's talk about the monthly mantra and then we'll go on to the products. So for July, it says, I embark on my spiritual journey with a vision of my soul's ultimate oasis. I like that, and it goes with Desert Vision perfectly. And the cover design was made by Yellow Lion Studio. I really like it. And then on the back here it gives more details about their subscription. So when you subscribe, you get a Moon Wisdom membership, receive the guidance, rituals, inspiration, support you need to sync with the moon and tune in with astrological influences each month. You can rate your box and win. So after you get your box, make sure to rate it. And then again, like I said earlier, for every box sold, they plant a tree. And this box that we received all the items in, as well as this card, remain for 100% recyclable materials. Love that. They have giveaways every month. They have a referral program. And every month they feature a new artist. So like we already talked about, this month is Yellow Lion Studio. But now let's move on to the product. So this is the Goddess Provisions Essential Oil Pouch. It says carry your favorite essential oils with you in this custom organic cotton pouch that features interior pockets for your favorite blends and a cute desert print. That is very cute. And look, the zipper is kind of a cool shape too. Oh, that's what I felt. So there's little pockets for each essential oil. That's awesome. How many are there in here? It looks like there's enough for 6, but then there's room in the middle too if you want to keep more. That's awesome. So yeah, it says material 100% cotton. And I think the pattern is so cute. And this is such a neat idea. If you guys follow my channel, you know I have a lot of essential oils. I actually happen to be opening an essential oil box after I film this one, so I'll put my new essential oils in here. Perfect. Well, let's move on to the next item. Looks like we have a little So Pure Desert Lover. Perfect for the theme. Oh my gosh, cool. It's soap with a crystal in it. Can you guys see? I don't know, I wanted to feel it, but you can't feel anything because it's inside. It smells pretty good too. And you can see there's like 2 different colors there. Oh, maybe you can see the crystal this way. Again, I won't be able to tell until I'm editing, but point is there's a crystal inside. It says use for visions of love. Rose quartz reawakens the heart to allow one to truly give and receive love from others. It carries a high spiritual attunement to the earth, universe, and the divine, and will help you move forward with love, leading your soul's true purpose. And this is made with organic cedar wood, also made with natural kale and pink clay, organic poppy seeds, organic essential oil, or organic cedarwood essential oil, organic coconut oil, organic palm oil. It goes on and on. It looks like it's all certified vegan. Well, everything in this box is vegan, and it's got the little like bunny symbol there too, but again, everything is also cruelty-free in here. So the Crystal Bar Soap, the Desert Lover Bar, has a retail value of $9, and there is a coupon code here for 20% off at Crystal Bar Soap. So for a lot of the items, not all, but for a lot of them, you do get coupon codes if you want to go and buy, maybe replace the item you got because you love it so much, you went through it, or if you want to support the company and purchase something else that they offer, that is great. Talks more about the soap here and says, finding the rose quartz inside is like discovering your own personal oasis. Oh my god, I can't wait to get that out. So fun. Get clean and you get a new crystal. Next up, let's talk about this. It looks like this may be like an essential oil roll-on. The Cheeky Botanica High Desert Wildcrafted Roll-On Oil Blend. I like the labeling. So this is made with organic sunflower oil, organic apricot kernel oil, white sage, purple sage, sagebrush, herba santa, essential oils of grapefruit and cedarwood, and sagebrush flower essence. I love all the sage in here. A bouquet of wild-crafted botanicals converge to transport you to the magic of the California high desert. I love when boxes go with their theme so well. So far they really are. It smells good. So yeah, just classic roll-on bottle. I love how this smells. Awesome. So this roll-on has a retail value of $24, and there is a 25% off code to use at Cheeky Botanica. Connect to the spirit of the desert when you apply this essential oil blend that's made with hand-harvested herbs, including white sage, purple sage, herba santa, sagebrush, and mugwort. Nice. I just want to keep smelling my arm. That smells so good. Ooh, next up, this is exciting. We got a dry brush, and it looks like it's from the Goddess Provision brand, made with beechwood and cactus plant bristles. I have a dry brush, and I always forget to use it, and I don't even know where it is, but dry brushing is really good. You just do it for a few minutes before you shower, for example, and it really helps lymphatic circulation. So you like start from like your ankles and stuff and always move it towards your heart. And it's supposed to be really good for you, but let's see if it gives us more information. And I like this one because you can just put your hands here and do it really easily. So this dry brush, it has care instructions here. It says add 3 drops of tea tree oil to a shallow bowl of water. Place the brush bristles down in the water, swish around. Oh, it's telling you how to clean it. Good to know. It looks like it says something in here. It says awaken your skin to enliven your soul, and it has a cactus on there and sun. I love that. I'm excited. This reminds me that I want to get back into dry brushing. Cause like I said, I have one, I know I have one for the face, like it's a lot softer than this. But I don't know what happened to my body one. So this is the Goddess Provisions dry brush, $11 value. This vegan dry brush is made with beechwood and natural cactus plant bristles to exfoliate your skin, eliminate toxins, and increase circulation, and liven your skin to awaken your soul. Nice. Do any of you guys dry brush? I want to start again. I feel like I noticed a difference. So yeah, exfoliate your skin, improve circulation, especially like lymphatic circulation. Nice. Yay, we got a treat. I'm hungry. I haven't eaten yet today. Sun and Swell Foods date and cashew cookies. Ooh, and double cacao. So it's dairy-free, gluten-free. There's no soy, no artificial colors or flavors, no added preservatives. Of course, it's vegan like everything in this box. The only ingredients are organic dates, cashews, and oats, and cacao, and they're all organic. So that is great. 130 calories. I'm excited to eat this. I love all the ingredients, dates and cashews. So this is a value of $2.50, and this is by Sun and Wells Foods, and there's a 15% off code for their website. So these are clean cookie bites. The difference between desert and dessert is that there are 2 S's in dessert because you only want more. The satiating super snack doubles as a sweet treat and features only 4 sun-grown ingredients, like we said, organic dates, cashews, oats, and cacao. I am gonna eat this right after we film. That sounds so good. And then next, I don't know what this is. Oh, it says it's a desert rose stone. cool. Let me get it out so I can show you better. This is so cool and unique. So this is a retail value of $3. This stone enhances third eye vision, perseverance, and confidence to succeed. Work with this stone when faced with obstacles to stay focused on your goals so you can realize your dreams. Awesome, I love getting new stuff like this. Like, I'm definitely like just learning more about crystal and all that stuff. I wouldn't say I know much at all like about stones, but I do find them so beautiful and I am very curious to learn more. And yeah. I don't know, I feel like when you move it, you can like see like the crystal. Oh, it's not really focusing now. It like wants to focus on my face. Let me hide behind my hand. So cool. I've never even heard of this, but it really does look like a rose. Awesome. And then I see one more item in here and it is tied up in string. So this is the Alana Gabrielle Desert Tapestry. Awesome. I've been trying to like decorate my place more during like quarantine and stuff because it's been lacking. So this is what it looks like. Oh, can't go video without dropping something. This is so pretty. Are you guys, can you see? I don't know. I'm hoping you guys could see it well because clearly I can't see the viewfinder. So there, it looks like there's like a sun, the cacti, definitely it looks like a desert, and I think these colors are very fitting for like the desert theme, and I love them too. This is awesome. Decorate your space with the esoteric essence of the desert. This design honors the symbolic plants and animals of Joshua Tree and is screen printed on 100% natural cotton with water-based inks. And there's a code here to save 25% off at alanagabrielle.com. And by the way, if any of you guys are interested in the codes, just let me know. I love this. I'm trying to think where I want to put it. And then there's one more item. It's not included in the box because you can access it online, like on your phone or computer. And it is called the Digital Bonus Desert Rose Meditation. It has a retail value of $33 and access insights about the deep, clarifying medicine of the desert and practice a beautiful meditation that will help you connect with your higher vision and the wisdom of your heart. Nice. For last month, well not last month, 2 months ago when I got the box, I went on and did the digital bonus. It like taught you all about like plants and stuff like that, and I thought it was super interesting and helpful. So I love that they include that. I'm all about like expanding my knowledge, especially when I get new items that are new to me. I want to learn more about it so I can get the best use out of them and yeah, expand my knowledge like I said, and that goes perfect with the theme. I think they do so well curating their boxes. Desert Vision, every single item like went really well with that, so I think this is great. I know this is only the second one I've opened on our channel, but I really enjoy this box. I would love to know your thoughts down below. Do you guys get Goddess Provisions, and what was your favorite item? I can't decide. I really love everything, and I'm super grateful that they reminded me that I want to get back into dry brushing, and this one is so convenient to use too. The other one I think had like a paddle, and again I don't know where I use that, and I can incorporate this into an upcoming video where I test out like skin devices and stuff, because I think dry brushing, it's like a skin technique I would say. But anyways, I could talk all day to you guys here, but again, let me know your thoughts down below. Thank you so much for being here and unboxing this with me. I hope you guys are all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!